Hi there, just wanted to make a little video today that helped me based on what I saw somebody else do on YouTube. I have an older receiver, it's a Yamaha CR-420, and I cleaned all the controls, contacts, everything, buttons, and I still was getting kind of a snapping, popping, staticky sound occasionally, no matter what input I was using and both channels. And I From watching another video, kind of narrowed it down to this piece, which is a relay. These contacts actually move, and you'll see that in a second when I do this. Turn it on, it opens up, turn it off, closes. Those contacts were dirty, so what I used was basically a strip of paper. Let's see if I can show you. Just a narrow strip of paper, printer paper. I dabbed the end with a little deoxit, and I slid it. I turned it on, waited for it to open, and then I slid it in between those contacts on both sides, then turned it off and pulled it out so there's some friction and it wipes the contact. The hardest part was getting this plastic cover off of that. I don't think it's intended to come off of it. You can see there's three little tabs that held it in place. They all kind of snapped off when I pried it up. But luckily it does fit with enough friction that it won't just pop off, or even if it's turned upside down, it won't come off. But that's what the device looks like. To pop it off, I used somebody else's suggestion of a nail with a head like this, because you can kind of get underneath the sides and pry it up where there's not a lot of room. So hope this helps somebody out there. It was kind of like the full explanation I was looking for, but I found enough little pieces here and there to understand. But now it seems to be working fine. No pops and snaps and crackles, and it's playing great. So I hope this video helps somebody. Thanks.